Hi, I'm PC Chris Hayden, licensing officer for Tameside. We thought we'd do this video just to show you a bit about Pubwatch Online, just the basics really, how to log in and all the little tools and things that you can do with Pubwatch Online. So if you start off on Google, just at the very basic, start off on Google and just search for Pubwatch Online, and you'll see that it should be the first one that comes up. You can see there, and just click on that and it brings you to the home page where you need to log in, which is here. If you can see there, sign in. Takes a minute to load up, and then you put in your sign-in details, which I don't mind you seeing my email address because you all should know it anyway. So that's your email address, and you put in your password, and then click sign in, and then it brings you into this page here, and you just click continue. And here's the data protection disclaimer. And basically it's telling you that the data contained on this website is subject to the provisions of the Data Protection Act 1998, and it's worthwhile just to have a read through that and make sure that you're in agreement with it, and then click continue. Once you've got through the sign-in process, this brings you to the home page here. As you'll notice here, we have just blacked out an area due to data protection. We don't want any of these photographs showing to anyone on YouTube, so we've blacked that out. But it comes onto this page here, and you'll see the various bulletins that are available to view. This one's for Denton, you've got one here for Staley Bridge, for Droylsden, Ashton, Gorton. So you can see there's various bulletins that you can read, so feel free to look at those, especially if it's relevant for your area. And what you'll see on the left hand side here are all your links to useful tools that you can utilize, and I'm going to go through a couple of those in a minute. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is how to send a bulletin out to your fellow Pubwatch members that has an attachment on it. And this is probably the most difficult thing that you're going to do, but it really isn't that difficult. If you look down the side here, if you want to attach something like a photograph or a document, you need to upload it first before you send your bulletin. So if you go to media storage, if you can see here, media storage, and the one I'm going to upload is a Derby Day advice letter, and that is one that we're actually going to send out because we've got Derby Day coming up and it's important you know about some of the advice. So you come to this, and what you're going to do is you're going to browse for the relevant file, which will be stored on your computer somewhere, which I know that it's in this folder, and there it is, and you just upload it in the normal fashion. Select that, and then click upload file. I didn't enter a name, so that's my bag. Derby Day 2016, there you go. Upload file. So that should work. Let's see what happens. There you go. Upload complete. The file is down here. You can see that it's been uploaded. Okay, so once you've uploaded your file that you want to send in a bulletin, you just go up to send bulletin message here on the left. See there, the middle one, send bulletin. And you select which of the schemes you want it to go to. Now, if you're just in Ashton, you can just send it to Ashton, but it might be relevant for everyone. So what I'm going to do with ours is we're going to send it to everyone. So as you can see, they're all selected, and you press continue. And it brings you to this page. and you just need to fill all this information in. So the number 1 is the importance level. So Derby Day, okay, it's a fair few weeks away, so we're not vitally important at the minute. So I'll just put medium importance. And then you give your bulletin a title, which I'm going to put Derby Day 2016 Advice. Helps if you spell it right. Post to public web pages. Do you want it to be public or not? Well, it's not that often we put it as public, so I'll just leave it as not on the public web pages for now. And then here you can write a little bit of a message. You can put whatever your message is to do with the bulletin, that's up to you, but for this particular case it's going to be please see attached Derby Day advice. So just go to insert link here, if you can see that one there, the little link icon, press that, and the drop down box, there's my uploaded file there ready to go. So select that and OK it, and there's a link there in the bulletin. So all you then do is carry on, go down to number 5, it gives you some reminders of have you done everything right, and then you click preview bulletin and it gives you an overview of what's going to happen to the bulletin. It's going to go to all these places. Here's the bulletin information, there's the link, and you click post bulletin and away you go. And that has been successfully posted, which is good. Now what you can do is you can remind people that you just put a bulletin up and send an email alert, which is what I generally tend to do. So what you do is you can put a little message in here, something like please log in and check out the Derby Day bulletin. And then just send that email alerts, and that's thinking about it. We can see here that that bulletin's been posted and an email alert has been sent to 233 active members of the selected schemes. So that's all done. What I'm also going to show you to do now is how to send a text alert to everybody. And I'm going to do it off the back of that Derby Day letter, and I'm going to just remind everyone via text. But you can use the text system for whatever you like. So if you just go up here to the red buttons, send a text alert. If you were sending it to your own scheme, you just press the green button, but I'm going to send it to all. So select all. All those schemes are getting a text message. Press continue. Unfortunately, I couldn't show you the full process of sending a text message due to all the members' names and phone numbers being displayed. So I've just skipped 2 very easy steps, but what you'd essentially do is select all the people who you want to send that text to, which I've just selected all, and then you write a very short message, 140 characters, and you click send, and it's as simple as that. And then you end up on this page, which tells you that it's been done, and in this case it's been sent to 101 recipients. So that's the text message alert done. Hopefully that makes it a bit clearer on how to do that. Well, the last thing we were going to show you how to do is viewing banned persons, which is obviously really important for you and your premises. All you need to do that is to click on this red button here, view banned persons. Now unfortunately I'm not going to click on it due to data protection and the fact that this video is potentially on YouTube and anyone can view it. So I'm not going to click on that, but all you have to do is click it and then look through the list of people. It's as simple as that, really. Okay, so we've done with banned persons and we're back on the home page, and as you can see, the bulletin that I sent out earlier is now listed as one of the most recent bulletins on the home page. So we can have a quick look at that, how that looks, and if we click on that one there, view bulletin, So here's how the bulletin looks, and you can see everything that I'd done earlier, and there's the link. So the important thing is click on the link so you can have a look at it. Hopefully it's going to work. And there it is. There's the attachment that we uploaded right at the very start, ready for you to view. So we're pretty much done on the basics of using this Pubwatch online system. I'm hoping that you're a little more versed into how to use it. If you go over here on the left hand side, right down to the bottom, you'll see a support page, so you click on that and there's an email support there, and there's various ways in which you can ask for some help, and that's it really. Hopefully you found it useful. Right, look forward to seeing you all on it.